You can expect only the cleanest program cars here at Orleans Ford, and they all represent the best value available in Western New York. Check out this 2010 Ford Fusion SE in smokestone metallic with medium light stone cloth. Yes, this Fusion comes with a clean one-owner Carfax vehicle history report and the Carfax buyback guarantee. On top of that, it is a deal. Kelley Blue Book suggested retail value on this Fusion SE is $18,420. Buy it here today for over $1,500 under the book. Call us today and only today.